children and a crop in the field. I have had some bad times, lived through some sad times. This time the hurting won't heal. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. After he left us, I ordered more whiskey. I thought now how she made him look small. From the lights of the bar room to a rented hotel room, we walked without talking at all. She was a beauty, but when she came to me, she must have thought I'd lost my mind. I couldn't hold her, cause the words that he told her kept coming back time after time. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille, with four hungry children and a crop in the field. I've had some bad times, lived through some sad times. This time your hurting won't heal. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. But I was never with you, so how could I have left you? That's what someone told me. So thank you, Alex. Thank you, Benipo. Thank you, Cyrilla. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, shining on the river. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama,
Mountain Mama,
take me home. Country
country roads.
road, all my memories gather round her. Miner's lady, stronger to blue water, dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty taste of moonshine, teardrops in my eye. Country road, take me
Take
home
me home
to the
to the
place
place
I belong.
I belong.
West
West
Virginia,
Virginia,
mountain mom,
Mountain Mama.
take me home, country road. I hear a voice in the morning, how she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home farm.
CK, thank you.
Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Country road,
Nag-live
take
yung
me
aking angels.
home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama,
Going to
take
your channel, CK.
country road. CK?
Going to
I
your
don't,
channel, CK. Thank
I
you
don't
so
see CK.
much. There in the other channel.
Ah, other
Mm.
channel.
Melby, antukin ka talaga
Country
kasi wala kang kausap.
road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road, take me home. Country road. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Alex. Thank you,
Palakpakan!
Benito.
Ay, ang
Thank
galing
you,
ni Ma'am
Sarah.
Alex. Thank you so much, Mama Alex. I want to look up